Pajam. Fuck. It's a bit. Content acquired. Now let's go.
Yes.
So anyways, the main rig is no case swap, as you can see, which was done off camera because I love USB 3 headers. Anyway, it didn't take 12 hours at least. So now you see, Eki, this fan, the lager is the paskana, so it must be swapped. And then I decided that because this one and this one all don't match, I just bought a 3-pack, so they all match. Wow. And then this cooler will be changed to a liquid cooler. Very cool. For no reason whatsoever. It's just for the love of the game.
What are you gonna do with the old case?
Give me a price and it's yours. In the comment.
Do you think I have money?
Some commenter might. Zaid! You want to get installation beer.
Non-alcoholic. Alcoholic.
And installation is here. Oh!
Voi vittu.
Great start to the video. The plan was to have the mishaps now so they don't happen later. I love making videos about tech.
What is that?
Liquid cooler. What?
And we are gonna put it in
the case swapped riot trooper, as they call it. Other piece is called Shock Trooper. They're named after Final Fantasy VII Remake enemies. Not Riot Games, because then it would break.
Important distinction.
3-pack of the fans. So now...
I heard only fans.
Do you know what this is?
No fucking idea.
It's a M.2 drive heatsink for the PS5. Which I don't even have an M.2 drive for it yet, but I had to buy this because it was like €4, right? Mm-hmm. I was missing 19 cents off of free shipping, so thanks Pro Shop. I hate Danish people.
Beer.
Very epic cable management.
Shut the fuck up. It will get better. Maybe.
You sure?
No.
Very expensive.
So we're starting with the fans because it's easier to do it first.
Probably yes.
With zero expertise, I say it's easier.
Yeah.
Trust me, bro.
Fake it till you make it and so forth. Pretty sure that's a fan port. Yes.
I don't know if the camera is catching it, but I like the ambience of the fridge.
And the birds outside.
Oh yes, true. We have a ventilation hatch open.
Place your bets now. Do I need to break this zip tie or not? For this connector to get through.
Very possible.
Well, if you put your bet on no, then you win. And you are good at gambling.
Gambling!
So now...
Go play more Balatro.
True. These 3 fans are now free of their cables. Well, they have the cables, but they're not connected to anything. They are free of their earthly possessions.
Screwdriver.
As Nesux once said, I am good at screwing things up. So if anyone wants to buy these fans as memorabilia, head to Finkka merch store. That doesn't exist.
Finkka merch store.
Should I start one self-fan?
Selling used fans.
Selling fans to fans. Gotta keep the cameraman happy.
Ujuku. Today we are trying ananas Jaffa energy drink.
Smell.
Smells like ananas.
Taste.
Tastes like ananas.
Wow, what a discovery.
I am very surprised.
I'm putting in the bottom intake fans. And then we are done with the 3 fans. How's that feel, Eki? It's not even an hour in and we are making progress.
Very epic. Let's hope the beer fuck up substituted for all other fuck ups.
It's 12 hours later.
I just jinxed it, didn't I? Gonna be here tomorrow.
Fan number 1, fan number 2, and see the chart, fan number 3. They are all the same now and look very cool and will look even cooler when they have the lights on. Very fun.
Now it doesn't look like shit when there's 3 different fans.
And doesn't sound like shit when the laakeri is paskana. I don't know what that is in English. What is laakeri?
I don't fucking know, I'm thinking.
This thing is kaput broken and make sound. So now
He
these
just
are,
lost at least 7 braces.
So now these don't do that and sound good and look good. Unboxing time of the new, hopefully this time fitting liquid cooler. MX6, very cool, thank you Arctic.
Not sponsored.
I wish it was, hit me up.
Give me money.
I don't even need money, I just need the endorsement.
Stop lying.
I need money, but I would be fine with just the endorsement. And how cool is that the fans come pre-applied so you don't have to do shit. And with white screws to match. Nice!
Please peel off label before you used. Ah, yes, the idiot check.
Yes, it's real life captcha. Chunky ass radiator, by the way.
Yeah, that is fucking massive.
Yeah, so that's why 280 of these wouldn't fit, so it's 240 instead. So now it should fit. Skip to the part where it doesn't. And now to uninstall the old fans. See you in a bit.
So remember we talked about zip ties earlier.
We need to
Murder.
eliminate one. Ta-da! And now it's free.
Kuoli saatana.
At least I have more of this.
They're
Into
fucking...
the roskis. Oh, it landed! I am Lauri Markkanen.
No, you're not. He did his army service.
It is off. Ta-da! You can see the CPU for the first time since the September video or August or whenever it was.
Very epic. Don't you need to clean the old?
Yeah, we do. Do you actually, do you know how we did it last time?
No.
With coffee filter. And we just bought them today.
With the fucking coffee filter?
Yeah. You can see the shape of the blade of the fan in dust.
Let's hope YouTube compression doesn't fuck it up. Jesus.
That's funny.
This household doesn't have pets.
Yeah, no.
Imagine if this was my place with the cats and shit.
Yeah, well,
Or fucking,
it isn't, thankfully.
fucking Rad's place with the dog.
Don't even mention it. Beer. The drip filter has been acquired. Get to working! Happy birthday yesterday.
Yippee.
Everyone comment happy belated birthday to Eki.
No need.
Yes, need. Check this out, Eki. These bracket thingies are now set. And look what is the next step. You should put the MX6 that comes in the box. But thanks Arctic for the free product. I already have it. Now I just have more of it. Don't ask why. I'm merely an engineer, I just work.
We're software, we don't do hardware.
X has marked the spot. Hello, post-production.
Hello, you editing this.
Yeah.
Greetings, future self. I hope you're not suffering. Very nice. Alright, we did it. I just had to hold the light, show the light. And...
Yeah, well, the first attempt was not like... It was probably like 99% in place, but not 100. And now it is in! Look! Mama, no hands.
Truly, you always need 2 people for shit like this.
Yeah, well now, the last thing is... This radiator needs to be mounted on top.
Big boy.
We shall flip the case, shall we? Yes.
Yes.
See you in a moment. Holy shit, I doing a trick.
Fucking focus on the screw, stupid camera. Magnets. Is that the fucking Halo team?
Yeah.
Based.
I'm using a Master Chief skin in Minecraft at the moment.
Very epic.
So anyways, as you can see, the radiator is now mounted. Eki helped me with screwing it in.
Was not very easy.
Yeah, because of these washer thingies that look like Cheerios and fuck up your day. Fucking German people.
I like Germans.
Yeah, they make...
Aside from Berlin Airport is dog shit.
Yeah, some airports are fucking dog.
So several years ago, a German airline went bankrupt, and because of that we got stuck in Berlin Airport for some hours.
We may talk shit about the Germans, but at least they pre-installed our fans for the radiator.
True.
Last screw of the video, I presume?
Fucking autofocusing is trolling me.
Can I get some drum roll, please? As I'm going to turn the PC around.
Ai vittu.
I hit Eki's leg. Ta-da! It's installed. Oh wait. Fan head.
The object.
Oh, that thing is still.
You wanna...
ASMR. You ready?
Yes. So that's like the cooler's internal shit. And
Yeah,
is
this is
the thing that
going
gets on
to
top.
slot on top of here.
So you said something about magnets?
Yeah, it's magnetic. So you can at any time just pop it off if you wish. Pop it back on.
Alright.
Now it's done. Now we just need to connect these cables. I love cable management.
I know. Yep. You have mentioned it.
Hey, okay, Eki said I could have some.
Yes. I'm not gonna drink the whole can.
Yeah.
Not beer.
Okay, fine. Hello, comment return. We are actually gonna route these cables a little bit better because my original plan was just to put them flush here. But they are actually long enough to be routed through there, this cable channel here that the case has.
I think that's clear from the video. I hope.
So we need to open this again. So at least you can see the bulge this is making look. That's how much it is.
Focus on the fucking vitun kamerat.
I can do it. See.
I take this.
So this is how much we are bulging from here, but it's fine. This gets pushed a little bit when you close the case. But now, instead of just routing them straight to there, we will route these pump fans and shit from here, so it will look a bit cleaner.
Asus Prime case. That makes me think of the shit energy drink. What are you doing in such a position?
I'm installing the VRM fan.
Oh, my phone's making shadows. I can't film.
Yeah, well, see, I was just doing it the Australian way.
Die.
Die my. Care for some weight mix, will you? Well, it's in. So now, only 3 more connectors and we're done for the day.
Famous last words.
Yeah, pretty much.
So that's all of them.
Yeah, that is almost done. How's the cable routing looking? Not too bad, actually. Don't even think these need to be zip tied. I can just kind of hang there, no?
Yeah, I think that it'll be fine.
This thing. Have it hidden there.
Gigajet Kingston holding on.
Yes. He's doing a great job.
Yes, you
Visible.
can. Yes. Did it go?
I think it went flush, straight flush.
Balatra.
Listen to this
Ding,
sound.
ding, 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 ding.
Oh, ka-ching, it said.
Hello.
We're back.
My
phone, yeah.
My phone ran out of memory. That's funny.
Is it memory or is it like storage?
Storage, yeah. Memory in English refers to RAM usually. Anyway, so back to twisting fucking pipes.
Yeah, to be fair, there's like one plan is to just the fucking glass panel onto it. Side panel, which still, by the way, has the protective film on the glass.
Why remove it? It's protection.
Okay, let's just look at YouTube.
Here you go. Here's your...
Thanks, man. Hello.
Hello.
So now the case is back together. The cabling is as good as I could do right now, which, to be honest, looks pretty good already. I may change it at some point, but
Perhaps.
it will look better with the lights on. So shall we go upstairs and test it?
Yes.
Yep.
This motherfucker out here with his 5 bazillion cables.
Oi, not that many.
Let's see if it shows.
They are neatly in a tidy cable box at least.
At least, yeah, it's pretty good.
Eki,
No?
are you ready for some truthing? Some moment of the truth, as they say.
Pelottaa.
Will there be light? Part 5 million. shit!
Okay.
We connected every cable successfully. Even they have light. Nice.
The top fan zooming.
Yes.
It's zoomed in a bit. You might need to unzoom.
Yes.
Very nice, very nice.
Now I need to obviously set these fans to have.
In true
The same.
RGB fashion, everything is different color by
Yeah. ASMR. I think if anyone is using this as ASMR, they might have fucking
They have
woken up from 37 different nightmares.
Very nice.
Ba-dum.
Slam dunk. Hello.
There was protective film on the inside as well.
Funny surprise.
I was filming B-roll when I noticed it looks scratchy, and then I realized glass doesn't look scratchy like that. You know what happens to this?
It goes in the trash bin.
Slam dunk.
Very much, yes. I like how the lights at the bottom of your desk are reflecting
know.
off the panel.
They will reflect for everything.
Ta-da!
私たち好きなことだけして生きてくと決めたのあなたもレッドレッドライトの
Hello everybody, my name is Markiplier, and if you're watching this video on the week it was uploaded on, I'm gonna be in Rotterdam this weekend for TwitchCon Europe. So come say hi if you're going, and if you're not, then wait for a banger vlog. Cheerio!